Hi guys, it's me Ganesh. Today I'm here to share a beautiful protein shake that's both good for us for our workouts and also sweet and tasty enough that we can have it every day like a treat, so that we don't have to feel the mental taxing of, everyday workout and then a healthy diet to add to that. Because I know for people like me who've just started the whole exercise journey, when we have to exercise every day and then we have to add on with good diets, it can be very mentally taxing and it almost makes you want to give up. And so what I'm going to teach you is a smoothie I made for myself, and I found it really tasty, and I had a dietitian approve it as well. So this is a dietitian approved smoothie, and I would like you to try it out, and if you like it, then sweet. You can try it every day and you can enjoy it, and you can continue your workout journey with that. So here it is, guys. Alright guys, so this is my ingredients list. As you can see, these are all the ingredients I use. And I'd like to add in that I use this Ninja blender. This Ninja blender is used because it's a portable blender, it's rechargeable, and you can take it wherever you go, like your mobile phone. And the thing is, if I leave my ingredients in here and then blend it on the spot when I want to drink it, it tastes fresh, it tastes well balanced, it tastes really good. I know that when you make a smoothie and leave it out for a while, it becomes unbalanced and some of the compounds go up and down and it tastes really bad. So what I like to do is keep a portable blender. This is my blender that I use personally. I wasn't sponsored by Ninja or anything. It's just I found their blenders very useful, so I'd like to mention that, Ninja. Now, moving on. These are all my ingredients. My protein powder is True Protein's WPI 90 whey protein isolate. I like it a lot because it's the best tasting protein I've had so far, in my personal opinion. Most other protein powders are very lumpy and they don't mix very well and they don't dissolve very well, but these guys have made some very good protein powder that dissolves really well and tastes really great. Now, I like to use 3 teaspoons of the protein powder, which I've put into this cup here. But before I add that, I like to use light milk, and you're supposed to use only about 200 ml because you need room for the other ingredients, and this blender is quite small. But I think for one serve, 200 ml of milk is pretty good. Now, moving on, 3 teaspoons of protein powder. After that, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Alright, next, yogurt. 1 tablespoon. And then a few mixed berries. We have strawberries here. We have raspberries, blueberries, and yeah, that's a mixed berry set. And then on top of that, mangoes. A few frozen mangoes. I like to keep them as frozen mangoes because usually you should add ice, but I've found that when you use frozen fruits, you don't need to add the ice because they're already frozen and they taste really great anyway. And so yeah, for people who can't source ice, maybe it's a bit of a strain for leaving water in the freezer for 12 hours just to drink one smoothie. I find this is a lot better. Just get some frozen fruits, and yeah. Now, as you can see, it's already in there. I can just take this with me wherever I go. And then when I want to drink, I press that, and then I press the start the blend. And there it is, it's blending. And once it's blended, which will take a few seconds, it will be a full, managed smoothie, and it'll taste superb. Now, if you're wondering how many calories this is, well, this is about 400 calories. Now, there it is, it's done. Open it up, and beautiful. Now, to explain the consistency of this, I will pour it out so you can see how there is no lumps in the protein powder. As you can see, no lumps at all. It's perfectly smooth. And that's the point I wanted to mention. With this particular protein powder, it's very rare to find lumps of protein powder chunks after a blend, unlike some brands that I have tasted, which I won't be mentioning. Anyway, this is a great treat. It tastes delicious, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.